Hey everybody, welcome to Octosec. Again. Today we're going to talk about how cyber attack works. Reconnaissance. This is the first step of cyber attack, and I will get you step by step and how really does it work and how does it happen. So the attackers start by gathering information, domains, employees, open port, which is position, what is your email address, what is your names, how the internal process work in your company, whatever information that you gather by the OSINT. OSINT, it's mean the open information within the network, between the internet, media, social media, news, anything that can gather information about your organization. So, in initial access, phishing, weak password, VPN breaches, or exposed services, it's how they get their foothold inside the system and get inside your network and really started to do damage. After that, a privileged exploitation. After initial access, the attacker look for ways to become admin or root or stuff like that, and get really more privileged than he was before. Lateral movement from workstation to server, from servers to domain controller, from in Linux, from a workstation to servers, from servers to be a root, and so on. But in some organization, the Linux server is always also connected to the domain controller. So if you what it's called, you got the keys, you got the keys to the kingdom and the crown jewels. The keys to the kingdom is basically the authentication servers, and how do you get your privilege to be admin or root. And the crown jewels is basically the information that they serve, like the customer details, credit cards, if they got some kind of code that you want to steal, the primary code, and all kind of information that you want to steal from them. So this will be the crown jewels. Command and control. The attacker establish outbound communication to channel and basically lateral movement and getting the information slowly. The attacker doesn't want to do really loud noises, so the SIM could identify it. Because of that, the uses of AI inside of SIM and understanding how the operation works and what doesn't, like, if you got a printer that start to collecting data from the SQL, you know that something is wrong, but to build rules that especially do those kind of stuff and those kind of correlation, it's very difficult. So if you got AI that get like a normalized picture of what every device is supposed to do, and understand the changes and the HUD behavior, or maybe even identify context, so you can really get a bigger picture and really know if command and control is working on your organization. The impact, encrypted file, stolen data, shutting down services, it's the end game part, when your system is being hacked and the attacker started to destroy your system. Basically, this part is to get rid of evidence and deleting his logs and getting rid of things that you can identify by it, and getting rid of tracks, getting rid of evidence and stuff like that. And how the SOC can stop it is by log the monitor, use the pattern recognition for behaviors, building rules, and responding in time. So if you want a video about all these steps and really get down to how you identify real attack and how you do this in real life, and we'll cover it in my course, and we will dive deep to how exactly do we identify when attack is happening. We maybe attack our own services, and we'll do a deep dive on how exactly we identify them inside of the SIEM, and how do we build the precise rules to really understand the attack and really to stop it. So if you like my content, like I said all the time, do a like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.